Just down to a stone there. Down to so. Alrighty. Easton. Mr. Robinson. Round the stone down I end down there, so. Down I end I stone. Easton. God Jesus. Easton. Yeah, leave that side alone. They want the any man over there. So. Look. But the man are going weed every 2 weeks for them. My mint ketchup, look for my mint catching up very good. Look at it, guys. I can make some mint tea. I bring them out since it kind of start getting warm up. So guys, I have to get some more in the spots. I don't know how this spot broke. I put artificial flowers up there. Today is a nice day. It's not so cold right now. I have to come out and do some yard work, garden work. Don't get carried away, you know, Mr. Nobody go up there so quite a draw out. You have to hear too. And we the one part against the step. Let me pull out. I forgot to get the broom and the bag and stuff. Oh, that George. George upon his own. So like George upon his own. Rude youth. Go and subscribe to you, Root and Jamaican Girl TV. This is Jamaican Girl TV. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to you, to Rude Youth also. Our bad Jamaican 09. Guys, this is it. We're doing the garden, okay? Yes guys, it's nice outside. I feel good. So nice, not cold, and we have to wrap up and all that. No, it's nice. Let me take these up. I have to get some more of these because it's so cold, like it doesn't want to give us any summertime. It still feels chilly, so I need to get some more of these. So I have to put them one side. Here goes Mr. Robinson, guys. Got to get some bags. Wow, he cut one of my flowers. When the gardener is cutting, he cut one of my flowers too. You done?
Broke off.
You broke off or you pop off or what? Yes, Mr. Robbins, you all dressed up to come out and weed. Nice, great. You need the broom now and stuff. I'm gonna go bend down and pull out the weed. Like I always do. I have gloves, everything. Because I fix my garden up with nice. Now my layout start already.
Need to go. With a rake. On a rake.
Yeah, you have rake. I have a rake back there, orange rake. What you do with it?
It's up there. All right.
Yeah, a brand new orange rake. And it the thing, the stick.
Okay.
Here it is, guys, Mr. Robinson with the yard. Let me go see.